Want the most value from your Amex points? The points calculator finds the best redemptions. Open the calculator and sign in with your Amex account to sync your points balance. Enter your points balance and pick your goal: flight, hotel, or transfer partner. Select dates and destination, or toggle award charts to compare partner rates quickly. The calculator displays cash value and partner transfer rates side by side for easy comparison. Use the comparison view to spot the highest cents per point redemption at a glance. Example 1. 60,000 points for a flight worth $900 equals 1.5 cents. Example 2. Transferring to a hotel partner for 60,000 points gets $1,200, 2 cents per point. Quick tip: prioritize redemptions above 1.5 cents for stronger value per point. Run side-by-side comparisons for the same dates to catch unexpected sweet spots or promos. Save favorites. Export results as a screenshot or copy the transfer notes before booking. Start the Amex Points calculator now and turn points into smarter, higher value redemptions.